Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today, I will play the worst OB in Roblox. Bro, I'm gonna pooping. May poop bro. I'm pooping. I mean, I'm gonna poop. Sorry. Okay, but I'm in Filipino. I'm not from America. Okay, I'm from Philippines. I will speak Tagalog. That's okay? Okay, guys. Like and subscribe if you like my video and my channel. Thanks. Okay. Wait, what is this? Easy. Oh. Okay, nasa easy na tayo. Oh. Easy lang naman ito eh. Oh. Ano? Okay guys, I will end this game. This is so easy. Easy? Bro, yung outside is so noisy. Sobrang easy sa labas. Nakakaputin ka laro. Huwag ka mahulog, guys. First time ko lang malaro to, pero nagpalapit ako sa isang YouTuber na paborito ko na si Selimush. Ay, waiting. Ulit na naman ako. Ano ba? Oh. No. Guys. No! Wait for me. No, don't kill me. Wait for me. Oh. Nice. Bro, this is not normal. No, I'm dying. This is not normal. This is so crazy. Sobrang crazy nito. Crazy pa lang to. Pag ito nakakatakot. Napanood ko to. Di sana huwag nakakatakot. Nagpapasigaw na lang ako. Gusto matulog sa taas. Nagpupup na ako sa sobrang takot ko dito. Sorry, wala akong webcam. Hindi ko makikita yung face ko. Pero makikita nyo naman sa shorts video ko. Makikita nyo yung mukha ko. Oh. Pero funny siya. Oh! Yan. Easy lang na to. Aray! Tulog pa ako doon. Ay, tig-tig tong tao to. Nice. Easy. Click ko lang yun eh. What the? So, ang sakit na sa screen. This is not hard. So, professional na yata yung naglaro na. What the? Flicker. Oh my god, ba't ka nauulit? Ay, namatay pala siya. Oh my god, wag mo ako patayin. Magdadasal ako kay Lord. Wag mo ako patayin. Lord, bantayan niyo po ako, Lord. Lord, bantayan niyo po ako. Walang saan ng jump scare. Oh my god, nahulog ko yung kasama ko. Oh my god, naging weird na ako. Bro, my friend. You go. Kaya mo yan. Yes, we can do it. Bro, I'm scared. Yung neck ko. Nagagalaw. ginagalaw. Uy! Please. Oh. Oh my God, napatigas ang ako ng weird ah. Oh. Easy. Huwag ko kayo ulog. Easy naman ito. Joke. Pero mahirap to sa sobrang hirap. Huwag mo ako pa. Huwag mo akong iwan. Gabayan niyo po ako na maligtas pa ako sa larong ito. Kala mo, oh my God, nagiging tabingin na yung ulo ko. Bro, what happened to my PC? What happened to my PC? What happened to my PC? Bro, what happened to my PC? Bro, what the? That's a weird guy. It's lost. Oh. We can do it, bro. This is a pro player. Okay, I will shout out this. Felix. Shout out with Felix. Bro, and guy. Don't kill me, bro. Layo nyo na. Huwag mo ako habulin. Huwag mo ako habulin. Layo na siya. Friend, dude. Wait me, bro. Wait me. Wait me. Yes, nice. Extreme. Don't broke my PC. Bro, this is so hard. Bro. Don't broke my PC. Don't broke my PC, bro. Don't broke my PC. With my monitor. Bro. Tabi tayo. Okay, upstairs. What the? I will beat this. I will beat this game. I will beat this day. I mean game. What is them? Them. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Yung mahabol sa akin! It's something! Oh my God! troll me. I'm your teamwork. What's this? This is so easy. Where's the heart? Bro, it's not hard. It's so... Do you want to kill me? No, don't kill me. If you kill me, like and subscribe. If you... I'm not dead. So, like and subscribe pa rin. Sunod lang ako sa kanya. Guys, I will follow this guy. Or weird guy. Joke. A weird player? What the guy? Okay, this is so easy. No. Wrong way. The wrong way. I think this player is using device is self. Oh, no! Bro, the sound is so weird. There's a troll space. Troll space. Troll base. Bro, I beat this game. Success! Yahoo!